Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today.
In the vast landscape of English grammar, tenses are our guides, helping us navigate the flow of time, much like a river that never stops moving. Among them, the present tenses hold a special place, allowing us to capture the immediacy of the here and now, the essence of our current experiences. Whether we're describing actions happening at this very moment or stating unchanging truths that define our reality, the present tenses provide the tools we need to paint a vivid picture of the present, capturing the vibrancy of life as it unfolds. Two key players in the realm of present tenses are the present continuous and the present simple, each with its unique function. While both dwell in the realm of now, they offer distinct perspectives on how we perceive and articulate actions and states of being in the present, enriching our communication. Understanding their nuances is crucial for anyone striving to master the art of English communication, as it allows for more precise and expressive language use. Imagine you're describing a beautiful sunset, a moment that captivates the senses. The present continuous allows you to capture the sun's gradual descent, painting a dynamic picture with phrases like "the sky is ablaze with color," emphasizing the ongoing process. Conversely, the present simple helps us state the unchanging reality that the sun sets in the west, a timeless truth that remains constant. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the intricacies of the present continuous and the present simple, equipping you with the knowledge to wield these tenses with accuracy and confidence, enhancing your ability to communicate effectively in English. The present continuous tense, also known as the present progressive, is our go-to tool for describing actions that are happening right now, unfolding before our very eyes. It captures the essence of the present moment, making our descriptions vivid and immediate. It paints a picture of immediacy, of events in motion, and brings a sense of urgency to our language. Structurally, the present continuous is formed using the present tense of the verb to be, am, is, are, followed by the main verb with an ing ending. This combination creates a seamless flow of action. For example, I am writing or she is reading. These sentences convey actions that are happening right now. This tense is perfect for describing actions that are temporary or in progress, giving a sense of continuity. It's like taking a snapshot of an ongoing event, freezing a moment in time. We use it to talk about actions happening at the moment of speaking. The kettle is boiling. This shows the action as it occurs. Temporary situations. I am living with my parents while I look for an apartment. This indicates a situation that is not permanent. Planned future arrangements. We are meeting for lunch tomorrow. This shows a future plan that is already decided. The present continuous breathes life into our sentences, allowing us to express the dynamism of the present moment. It makes our language vibrant and full of energy. While the present continuous thrives on action, the present simple tense provides a sense of stability and permanence. It's the cornerstone of our everyday language, used to express habits, routines, facts, and unchanging truths. Forming the present simple is straightforward. For most subjects, we use the base form of the verb. For third-person singular subjects, he, she, it, we add an s or es to the base verb. For instance, I eat breakfast every day or he walks to work. The present simple is our tool for expressing habits and routines. She drinks coffee every morning. General truths. The earth revolves around the sun. Permanent states. I live in London. Scheduled events. The train leaves at 8 a.m. Mastering the present simple is essential for building a solid foundation in English grammar. Section 4. Choosing your tense. Continuous or simple. Navigating the choice between the present continuous and the present simple can be tricky. It's a common challenge for learners of English. The key lies in understanding the nature of the action or state you want to express. This understanding will guide you in making the right choice. If you're describing a temporary action happening right now, the present continuous is your best bet. It captures the immediacy of the moment. Imagine you're describing a friend's current activity. He is playing basketball. This tense shows that the action is ongoing. The present continuous emphasizes the ongoing nature of the action. It's perfect for actions that are in progress. On the other hand, if you're talking about a habitual action or a general truth, the present simple is the way to go. It indicates regularity and routine. For example, he plays basketball every Saturday. This sentence tells us about a regular activity. Here, the present simple highlights the regularity of the action. It's about what usually happens. The difference can be subtle, but it's crucial for conveying the intended meaning. Choosing the right tense makes your communication clearer. Pay attention to the context and the specific nuance you want to express. This will help you master the use of these tenses. Section 5. Tricky situations. Avoiding common errors. Even seasoned English learners can stumble when it comes to present tenses. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid. Using the present continuous for stative verbs. Stative verbs describe states of being, not actions. We typically avoid using them in continuous tenses. For example, instead of I am loving this song, we say I love this song. Overusing the present continuous? While it's tempting to use the present continuous for everything happening around us, remember that the present simple is often more appropriate for habits and routines. Confusing the third person singular s. Don't forget to add the ss or es to the base verb when using the present simple with third person singular subjects. By being mindful of these common errors, you can refine your grammar and express yourself with greater precision. Section 6. Practice makes perfect mastering present tenses. The key to mastering any grammatical concept is practice. The more you use the present continuous and the present simple in context, the more natural they will become. Engage in conversations, write short stories, or describe your daily activities using these tenses. Don't be afraid to experiment and make mistakes. Every error is an opportunity for growth. There are countless online resources and exercises available to help you solidify your understanding. Embrace the learning process and celebrate your progress. Section 7. Summary, Key Takeaways. In this grammatical journey, we've explored the nuances of the present continuous and the present simple, two essential tools for expressing ourselves in the present. Remember, the present continuous captures actions in progress, while the present simple handles habits, routines, and timeless truths. By understanding their distinct roles, we can choose the right tense to convey our intended meaning with clarity and accuracy. Like any skill worth mastering, proficiency in English grammar requires dedication and practice. Embrace the challenge, and soon you'll be navigating the intricacies of present tenses with confidence.